Okay, we're going to be finding the slope of a line today. The slope is just the slant of the line, how it's slanted. The standard says to calculate and interpret the average rate of change of a function, estimate the rate of change from a graph. Now, we're going to be dealing with, in this lesson, linear graphs only, but realize that we have other graphs this year. This is a linear graph. We have quadratic graphs this year. We also have an exponential graph now. So the rate of change on quadratic and exponential will not be the same given any 2 points that you choose. On a line, the rate of change will be constant because it's a line and it doesn't ever change. It's straight. Okay, constant rate of change with respect to the variable of x of a linear function, y equals f of x. The constant rate of change is its slope of the graph. And this is the formula. The formula will be, given any 2 points on the graph, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I will demonstrate how to use that here in just a moment. Okay? This first point is called x1, y1. That's the x coordinate and the y coordinate. x2, y2, the second x coordinate and y coordinate. And you just literally put it into the equation, into the formula of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so we have 9 minus 5 over 2 minus 1. Be careful that you don't mix them up. I've seen students do 9 minus 1 and 2 minus 5. Just be careful that you are doing the y's over the x's. I've also seen students put x first in the numerator and y's in the denominator. Bear in mind what the formula is. Okay, so that one has a slope of 4. Let's go to this one. Again, this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So you have negative 4 minus 2 over 2 minus negative 5. I also see students make mistakes here. They think this minus sign is the same as that one, the negative sign. They are not. Be sure that you put into the formula correct. You are doing 2 minus negative 5, which becomes positive 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6 over 7, and that's your slope. Okay, we have another one here. 1, 6 and 1, negative 5. When I put in y2 minus y1, I get negative 5 minus 6 over 1 minus 1, which is 0. Now, end up with 0 in the denominator. When I end up with 0 in the denominator, we cannot divide by 0. If you were to put that in your calculator would tell you math error. That means it can't be done. This is called an undefined or a no slope. This, if you were to graph that line, it would be a vertical line. And so that is no slope or undefined slope. All right, when I do this one, 2 minus 2 over negative 3 minus 1. My numerator this time is 0, and when that happens, I can do that, and that gives me 0 as a slope. That's a horizontal line. It's going to be a line that's like this. Okay. Now, this is an honors course, so we're going to do something other than just find the slope. Find the value of y so that the line passing through the 2 points has the given slope. All right. They are giving you the slope, and you are to solve and find the missing variable. Okay, my work is down here. All right, for the first one, 4 minus y over 2 minus 1 equals 1. Here is the work for that. You just need to cross multiply. It's as simple as doing that. 1 times 4 minus y is 4 minus y. 1 times 1 is 1. And then you subtract 4 from both sides. Negative y is negative 3. Divide by negative 1, y is 3. And so that's the missing coordinate. All right, and then this problem, we have the point negative 2, 4, and we have a point 0, y, where we're trying to find the y coordinate, and we have a slope of 2. So we're going to go down here. y minus 4, you just plug into the formula, y minus 4 over 0 minus negative 2, be very, very careful. Y minus 4 over 2 equals 2 over 1, cross multiply again. That's going to give us, y minus 4 over 2, then you'll get 4 here. Y minus 4 is equal to 4. Add the 4 to both sides, and y is 8. All right, now here's a word problem involving slope. In 1989, a postage stamp cost 25 cents. I know that's misspelled, I'm sorry. In 1999, a postage stamp cost 33 cents. Find the average rate of change in postage in cents per year. Now, when it says per year, that lets you know what needs to go in your denominator, years. So we're going from 1999 to 1989. So 1999 minus 1989 gives us 10 in the denominator. And then in 1999 it was 33 cents. In 1989 it was a quarter. So that gives us 8 cents over 10, which is 0.008 cents per year. All right, from a graph, you literally just need to look at the graph and count. Remember when we did our slope lesson, it's upright or downright when we did our graphing. So from this point to this point, I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, and going to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So negative 4 over 8 is negative 1/2. You can also, if you feel uncomfortable, you can also write the 2 points out. We have negative, if you feel uncomfortable counting. You can write out the 2 points, label it as x1, y1, x2, y2, and no, it doesn't matter which point you put first. If you put 6, 0 first and negative 2, 4 second, and labeled them x1, y1, x2, y2, you still get the same answer. So 0 minus 4 over 6 minus negative 2 is going to be negative 4 over 8, which still gives me negative 1/2. So either of those scenarios work. Thank you.